Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, we're going to be talking about freelancing jobs. But before that, if you're new to the channel or happen to view this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Now, for the first topic, we're going to be looking at video editing. Video editing is becoming a fast-growing freelancing job that you can consider. But before you consider this type of freelancing job, you need to acquire the skills so that you can be proficient in this type of job. Where can you go about acquiring the skill? You can consider YouTube video editing tutorials. I, for one, learned how to edit my videos through YouTube video editing tutorials. Number two, you will be then providing your service. And where do you go about providing your service? You can advertise yourself on social media, and you can also target content creators, specifically vloggers, because their videos are quite longer. And then you can also place your gig on freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. Number three is how much you can make doing video editing freelancing job. You can earn somewhere around $30 per hour to $100 per hour, depending on who you will be working for, also depending on your experience. And then for the second topic, we'll be looking at social media manager. So with social media manager, you're going to be managing someone's social media page or a company's social media page. So here are some of the things that you will be doing as a social media manager. Firstly, you're going to be posting content daily, depending on the contract that you've signed with the person that you will be managing their page. And then number two, you will also be engaging with audience and followers. Number three is you will be managing campaigns. This will depend on whose social media page you will be managing. Let's say, for example, you are managing an influencer's social media page. There are chances that you will also be managing the campaigns they are working on. And how much can you get paid becoming a social media manager? It will depend on your experience, but you can make somewhere around $15 per hour to $30 per hour. And the last one that we're going to be looking at is photography. Photography is one of the highest paying freelancing jobs that you can consider. And where can you sell your pictures, or what can you do as a photographer? You can consider selling your pictures on platforms such as Shutterstock or Getty Images. Number two, you can also consider having a photo shoot studio where you will be taking pictures of people and charging them. Number three is that you can consider taking pictures of influencers, taking pictures at weddings, and also taking pictures at events. You are not limited to these type of money-making ways. You can also consider working with a specific company. You can also put your gig on Fiverr, on Upwork, and all the other freelancing platforms that are out there. Number four is how much can you get paid by becoming a photography. You can make somewhere around $30 per hour to $100 per hour, depending on your experience. Now, thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.